Risho the Parrot and the Pitcher. On a hot and sunny morning, there was a little parrot named Risho. He was colorful, clever, and loved by all the animals in the forest. As he flew between the trees, Rico began to feel very thirsty. He said to himself, "I'm so thirsty. I need some water to feel better." While searching for water, Risho spotted an old pitcher under a shady tree. He was excited and quickly flew down. He peeked inside and saw a little bit of water at the bottom, but it was too far down. His beak couldn't reach it. Risho sat on a small rock and began to think. Suddenly, he smiled and said, "I've got it! I'll make the water come up to me instead." He started gathering small pebbles and gently dropped them into the pitcher, one by one. With every pebble, the water level rose a little higher, until finally the water reached the top. Risho chirped happily, "My plan worked! Now I can drink." He drank the cool water with joy, then flew up into the sky feeling proud and refreshed. From that day on, Risho taught all his forest friends an important lesson. When you face a problem, don't get upset or give up. Just think smart. If you like the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell button to receive all that is new. Goodbye!